This brand is made in Mexico by Ream Manufacturing, which is a part of Paloma Group. The units are sold through authorized dealers in the USA and Canada, but their guarantee is minimal when compared to other brands. The WA14AZ models are part of their Endeavor Line Select series, but they are basic builder-grade units that are designed for large home building companies. They feature louvered panel construction, which does a superior job of protecting the condenser coil from mechanical damage, but they are big box-like units that are lacking in curb appeal. They have a metal base pan with virtually no sound attenuating features and a resulting sound rating that is close to that of a vacuum sweeper. The brand does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Premium and Ultimate categories. This brand receives an overall 2-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.